Staying relevant in the industry is so important, especially as a designer, regardless of what sector of design you work in. So one thing I would say is super important is to stay relevant and keep up professional practice. Make sure you're constantly learning, whether that's a new software. So maybe you haven't got much exposure on Cinema 4D. Check yourself into a course. Perhaps you really could do better on the technical side of things and get some more AutoCAD lessons. It could be a case that you love hand sketching, but you really need to develop it a little bit more. Or you might be in a company and presentations are terrifying you. Speak to your manager or check yourself in on a course. There's some fantastic ones out there to really help you with presenting to clients as well. The other thing is to keep relevant with current and future trends. How do you do that? Well, it's all about being at these events. These companies at, say, Clerkenwell Design Week are constantly showing what's coming up in the industry. But look across sectors, look at the music industry, look at the film industry, look at other creative industries and art to see what's happening, to see where you can get your influences from. Even COVID has sparked so many different trends and influences. Think about how we all live our lives now. That's just sparked a whole new wave. But by keeping relevant to what's happening in the industry, but also the world around you, is going to enable you to come up with fresh new ideas when you get that client brief and you're given that project. You also want to do a self-evaluation every now and then. Think about it. Am I doing the projects I really want to do? Have I now been stuck doing technical drawings of retail rollouts for the last 6 months and I really want to be involved in creativity? If you do want to be involved in more concept work, perhaps come up with some ideas and show it to your manager or sit down and have a chat with them and say, could you possibly involve me? I'd love to show you what I can do. But you need to speak out. Keep evaluating and keep moving forward because this design industry has something for everyone. And I've seen it myself where junior designers have started perhaps in a more technical role and have got top jobs in front-end concept design agencies. So that you can always move, but it's about showing passion and how you want to move forward.